I want to show you a bit of how to quickly modify data in Map My Customers, whether this be for the values on certain records fields. It could be for adding records quickly to a route or a group. There are a couple different ways you can do this very easily inside of MMC. Now, whether you're on mobile or web, it shouldn't matter. The same process will apply. We'll start with the Lasso tool. This is accessed on the right-hand side. Click Lasso. This will allow you to actually circle pins on the map, right? So if we go ahead and do that, we'll be able to then, let me try one more time here real quick. I forgot to let go. We've got the selected pins here on the right-hand side, and this is where we will be able to take a look at what we actually lassoed. On the left-hand side, we'll be able to quickly do the modifying actions, right? So we can quickly edit, we can quickly remove from groups or routes. So if we want to bulk edit, we just select which field we'd like to update. Let's say we want to update probably some kind of custom field here. Here's a custom field. We can change the value to whatever we want. Click apply. And then all of these will actually have that update on them, right? So if I were to click on one of these, I could scroll down and see the option that I selected here, right? Now, the other thing you can do is, as I mentioned, add it to groups or routes. You do not have to use Lasso, though. We can actually go to the list views. Here, we can actually select individual records, or if we want to select an entire page, we can click the select all up here on the top left, and we can quickly remove from groups or routes or bulk edit. So it's the exact same process, just inside of the table format. And we can go ahead and click this here to then add these to a route. I'm not going to, since this is not where these are located, but you get the idea. Now, if you want to add a route quickly on the fly, you could do that by clicking here. The other thing you can do is quickly add a group on the fly through the exact same process. So all in all, this should enable you to quickly modify fields on existing records, which can be very helpful for you as an individual contributor in the field or your reps on your team. And you can quickly modify groups and routes as well. That's great for being able to efficiently get around in a given week, or in the case of groups, being able to slide records into a certain sequence, a certain frequency to see them. That's what we call cadences inside of Map My Customers. Again, a whole lot you can do here, a whole lot of power to modify your data without having to do any major exports and re-importing.